So in this video, you'll learn how to repost on Bluesky. So the first step is to launch Bluesky and then find that specific post that you want to repost. And then once you've found it, you want to select that post. And once you've selected it, at the bottom of the post, you should see this repost icon. It will even tell you how many reposts there have been. So what you want to do is simply tap on that icon, then select repost, like that. And then once you've selected repost, you should see it's now changed to a green color, which means you've done it successfully. So now, to confirm that you've actually reposted that, you want to go to your profile and you should see the repost there. If you don't see it there, you want to try just reloading your profile. And then once the profile has reloaded, you should see the post listed right there. So from here, you can now just tap on these three dots and you can now choose to customize the post to your liking, whether it's translating, sharing, muting it, all sorts of things. So that's how you can repost on Bluesky. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.